How to fix Spotify cannot play your music right now error on your device if you're using it on your iPhone. If you're using it on your Android phone, the steps will be the same for both formats. Now, to understand how you can solve it or why this is happening because of the network connection. You should check that you're connected to a better network connection on your device. Like I'm going to check my Wi-Fi firstly that I have full network in my Wi-Fi connection. I also have data switched on and I have full data connection on my account. I also have the better network connection. You can see on the right that how much is my network. Now, how you can solve this exactly? You can only solve this issue like open your Spotify firstly on your device, and if you're playing one music and you're facing error with it, so you should simply scroll up your device like this, delete Spotify from here, click on Spotify and delete Spotify application from your device, and then you can simply reinstall it or restart it from the help of App Store. Now you can reinstall it and then you will not face any type of error like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.